First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a knife and we're going to score the tomatoes. Same for any size tomato. Just give a little slit, get it ready, then we're going to put it in boiling water. Now once you've scored all your tomatoes, put them in boiling water for 30 seconds to 1 minute to blanch them real quick. There we go. Take them out and drain them. Next step, what we're going to do is we're going to take them and we're going to peel that skin off. Peel the skin off. Okay. Some of those seeds come out too. Get as many of those seeds out as you can. And then just continue until your tomatoes are all de-skinned and or de-seeded too. Okay? Then we'll move on to the next step. We're going to cut the top off the head of garlic. Take the tray, take the garlic, put it in the air fryer, 400 degrees, for 10 minutes. Okay. We're going to take some ground venison, 4 tablespoons of butter, brown it up. Aromatics, I'm going to take some spinach powder, mirepoix powder, carrot, onion, celery, dehydrated ground, and a little more of that. And a bit of ground mushroom, ooh, a little more than one, dash of white pepper. Dash of cinnamon. Seriously, just a tiny bit. Take that garlic from the air fryer. Okay. And garlic paste. Just gonna have to crunch it up. Mix it in with that butter. Nice. Gonna take all of those tomatoes. We're going to put it in there and we're going to let it reduce to a tomato sauce. Okay? Let those tomatoes cook down really good. Okay. See that tomato breaking down? I have turkey stock here, which of course very thick. It's going to be another good thick steak. Okay? As you can see, it's like thick like demi-glace because of the collagen from the bone. Gonna say that's a really good couple cups, right? And we're gonna add a couple cups of liquid here too. Let that come back up to a good boil once it's all been mixed together. 2 cups of pasta, and we're going to use the traditional macaroni, kind of like the goulash here. Now we're going to low simmer it and let that just macaroni absorb. Well, leave that lid off for a little bit. Add a couple teaspoons of salt. I got a cup of white and yellow cheddar. Bring it in. There we go. There's our venison goulash. The flavor profiles are deep. Feel free to add more salt and pepper if you wish. Thanks for watching.